about rearrangements. Now I would like to tell you Bayer-Villiger rearrangement. I would like to teach you Bayer-Villiger rearrangement. Here in Bayer-Villiger rearrangement, aldehydes are converted into aldehydes are converted into carboxylic acids. Carboxylic acid. Ketones are converted into ketones. Ketones are converted into esters. Esters in the presence of peroxy acid or peracid. Here aldehydes are converted into carboxylic acids in the presence of peroxy acids or peracids. Ketones also converted into esters in the presence of peroxy acid or peracid. Here now we are going to discuss mechanism for Bayer-Villiger rearrangement. Here we have to take general ketone. Here R indicates alkyl group. Here also alkyl group. In the presence of peracid, protonation takes place on the oxygen atom of carbonyl group. Protonation takes place on the oxygen atom of carbonyl group. Here protonated ketone. Here double bond is there. Pi bond migrated towards oxygen. What will happen? Here carbon will get positive charge. Carbon will get positive charge. Afterwards, we have peracid. We took peracid as a reagent. What will happen? Lone pair of electrons on the oxygen atom of peracid, lone pair of electrons on the oxygen atom of peracid attacked on the carbon having positive charge here. Carbon having positive charge. What will happen? Here lone pair of electrons attacked on the carbon having positive charge. Here after attacking, what will happen? Here this oxygen get positive charge. Y means lone pair of electron transferred to the carbon atom. So bond formation takes place. This oxygen and carbon. Here this is the bond. Next, here electrons are transferred to the carbon. That's why oxygen gets positive charge. Now what will happen? Bonding between hydrogen and oxygen in the hydroxyl group migrated towards between oxygen and carbon. Now alkyl group migrated to oxygen atom of peracid part. This is peracid part. Now what will happen? Here bond is between two oxygen atoms. Bond is migrated towards this oxygen atom. This is oxygen atom 1, oxygen atom 2. Here peroxy bond. Oxygen bond is the peroxy bond. In this bond between two oxygen atom, bond is there, that is migrated towards oxygen atom present in the peracid. At that time what will happen? Migration. Actually this is the migrating step. This is the migrating step, means rearrangement takes place in this step only. Rearrangement takes place in this step only. Here ketone is converted into in this products. Ketone is converted into, here we took ketone as a here ketone is a reactant. Here product what? Product what? Ester. I told ester no. Ketones are converted into esters like that. Here esters will come. How? We can see now. Here this is the bonding between hydrogen and oxygen. It is migrated towards what? Oxygen. Now here positive charge can be neutralized. Positive charge can be neutralized. At that time it can be release one proton that is migrated towards negative charge having oxygen. So here both products form. This is the ester. Here whatever the reagent involved in the Bayer vinegar rearrangement, that is converted into acid. Here reagent is the peroxide acid. After products formation, this is converted into acid. So here for the reactant, oxygen addition takes place in the products. Here ketone is the reactant. Here also ketone only reactant. After formation of products, it is converted into ester. Here addition of one oxygen takes place. Students, we have to observe here one oxygen addition takes place. That's why this is oxidation also. This reaction is oxidation also. So here whatever the reagent we have to use reagents for acetic acid, peracetic acid, trifluoropheracetic acid, trifluoropheracetic acid, first one, second one, third one, metachloroferbenzoic acid, metachloroferbenzoic acid, benzoic acid, MCPBA, metachloroferbenzoic acid. And then for sulfuric acid, hydrogen peroxide in the presence of ether, diethyl ether. Here in so many reactions we are using metachloroferbenzoic acid. Why? Means this is the reagent. It is lowest cost and then available one. So that's why we are using metachloroferbenzoic acid. Here trifluoroacetic acid is useful one only, but cost is more. So that's why only we are using metachloroferbenzoic acid in this reaction. Next, here we have to discuss about migrating aptitude. Here alkyl group is there. If in the place of alkyl group, if methyl, ethyl, any are there, if ethyl is there, that can be migrate first. If ethyl is there, methyl, this is Me indicates methyl, Et indicates ethyl. Both are there. First priority goes to ethyl. Next priority methyl. If aryl group, ethyl group and then methyl group will be there, means first priority goes to the aryl group. Next verse ethyl. Next verse methyl. Here like that groups are migrating takes place. Here if tertiary alkyl group are there, cyclohexyl phenyl group is there, first priority goes to tertiary alkyl, next cyclohexyl, next phenyl. Like that we have to migrate the groups, alkyl groups or aryl groups, cycloalkyl groups. Here, for example, we have to see here ketone is there, that is acetone. Acetone in the presence of peracid, product will come. We have to keep one oxygen here. Both sides same only, same groups, both sides. Here methyl group, here also methyl groups. We have to keep one oxygen. Simply, this is the simple trick to find out the product in the Baeyer-Villiger rearrangement. We have to find out at which side we have to keep oxygen. Here we can see here methyl group is there, here tertiary butyl group is there. So we have to take first priority according to this tertiary butyl group. Methyl group is there here. We have to give first priority for the tertiary butyl group. So this side we have to keep one oxygen. So like that we have to remember which side we have to put oxygen. Which side we have to put oxygen. Here you can take, here carbonyl group is there. One side cyclopropyl group is there, another side methyl is there. Which side is the sterically more hindered? That side we have to keep oxygen. Remember this one, which side is sterically hindered group is there, that side we have to keep oxygen. Like that we have to remember. Simply you can remember where the sterically more hindered group is there, that side we have to keep oxygen. That is the product in a Baeyer-Villiger rearrangement.